Hi friends, in this video I will explain how to create the admission form in the Word document. So normally, like in the schools or else colleges, anywhere, just if you wanted to fill the details physically, we need a form. That form is called admission form. Now in this session we'll discuss how to create that admission form step by step. Friends, first we'll set the page. Go to the layout and go to the margins, custom margins. Here you can set the margin how much you want. For example, just I want 0.4, 0.4, 0.4, 0.4 and 0.4. So left, right, top, bottom, in all the places I need 0.4 centimeters margins. Then say okay. Look at there. Just we got the margins because that complete form should be in a single page. So that's why I'm taking less margin. Otherwise, go to the margins. You can select narrow also. See, narrow means 1.27 and you can take how much you want. See, now go to the design tab. Go to the page borders, box, and you can insert any page border here. Just select it, then say OK. Friends, you can take any type of border. So this is official, that's why just I'm not applying any colors and designs. Just normally I'm taking a border. So after that we'll type some text here. So go to the insert. Go to the text box, then take the draw text box, draw the text box. Now you can type the text here. For example, I am giving Salvin Technologies, then press enter. Here you can give the address Hyderabad, Telangana, India 500060. Then say Control A, select all, Control plus A, align center, Control Shift greater than, increase font size. Then if you want, you can do all the things like bold. See, like this you can do many things. And select the Salvin Technologies only, increase font size little bit for this. Now select these two and you can decrease the after spacing. Just decrease the after space. Look at there, 0. Then see, just select this line, decrease the line and go to the format, shape fill, no fill, and shape outline, say no outline. So friends, after this just we'll separate with the line. Go to the insert tab, go to the illustrations group. Now you can select the shapes. Go to the shapes, select any line, draw the shape. See, while drawing the shape, hold the shift key, press shift key and drag the line so that you will get line straight. Then go to the format, shape, outline, go to the weight, just increase the weight. Look at there. And I'm going to check the black color shape outline, just black color. So just you can increase or decrease the height, width and weight also. Now just we'll give the heading like just I'm saying admission form, align center, inside the bracket type admission form, bracket close. Next type like personal details. Next you can do the design for this admission form. Then you can bold, apply the color, increase the font size. Look at there. And after that, personal details. Just I'm checking like student name, next you can take the boxes like insert. You can insert the table, otherwise go to the shapes, select rectangle, just draw one shape first of all. Then go to the shape fill, say no fill, like this. Then if you want, just you can reduce this Next, Control Shift drag it. Control Shift drag it. Control Shift drag it. Next, after that, select all the boxes. Just select, then press Control, select all the things. Then go to the Format tab, go to the Arrange, just say Group. Now it becomes a single object. Then you can do Control C and Control V, copy paste. Otherwise, same here also you can do Control Shift drag. Control Shift drag. Control is for copy, and if you are holding the Shift key, you will get straight line. Control Shift drag. Next, type further name. We'll do same thing. Just select this, press Control and select. Then you can do Control Shift to drag to the down. Locate there. Next, mother name. Same thing. Just select this by pressing Control. Now Control Shift drag. Now if you want, just you can do the formatting for this personal detail also. Just bold, underline. Now just I want to insert photograph shape here. Go to the Insert, Shapes, Rectangle. Just draw the box. Now shape fill, no fill. And shape outline also, just you can take any color and any weight also. Go to shape outline, weight, just will increase little bit. Look at there. Now after completion of this, there is another one, permanent address. Next, same thing you can do copy and paste. Just select. Otherwise you can do grouping also, all the things. Control Shift drag. Look at there. Next, present address. Again select this, Control and click. Just you can drag down. Copy, just drag it. After that, just we'll type religion. Here also we require a box. Just go to the Insert, Shapes, Rectangle. Just draw the box. Again same thing, shape fill, no fill. Look at there. Next, type Hindu. Next, Control Shift drag, Muslim. Next, Control Shift drag, select this, Control Shift drag, Christian. Then you can type CHRISTIN, Christian. Then select this, Control Shift drag, other religion. Next, sex. Same thing, just Control and drag it wherever you want, you can place. Male. Control Shift drag, female. Next, date of birth. Just take this box and you can do Control and drag here and copy, paste. Select this box. Next, go to the format, group, do ungroup. Just select two boxes, just separate it. Next, nationality. Control Shift drag, Next, type class. Go to the insert, shapes, rectangle. Just draw one rectangle. Shape fill, no fill. Next, roll number. Select that. Control Shift drag. Next, father or guardian, occupation, next, monthly, income, shift underscore. Next, reason for leaving last school. Shift underscore. See, just your wish. What are the fields you required? You can draw here. You can type. You can select here. So just a few fields are required. That's why just I am giving this kind of things. Next, registration number. So just for this also we need box. So just we'll take this. Press Control and select. Then Control Shift drag. Control and select. Next, mobile number. Control Shift drag. Next, telephone number. So we'll do this thing, same copy and paste. Control Shift drag. Next, parents' signature. Student's signature. Shift minus. Next, director signature. So friends, almost all the fields are completed. And again, just if you wanted to change this margins, you can change. Go to the custom margin. Just if I wanted to put like you can go for 0.5 in all the places. You can say 0.5 centimeters. See, look at that. Okay. See, everything is clear. Next, you can increase the size for this. So you can insert extra other fields also. So if you want, what are the fields you require, you can insert here. Just if you want to do any colors and any styles, designs, you can do here also. Just for example, you can change the formatting also here. Just increase the font size and you can do whatever you want. See, just select this, increase the font size, and all the things. So what are the things you want to change? Just you can change in this admission form. Look at there. So this is not a fixed format, just this is one format. So how you want, you can change according to your requirements. Now if you want to say just Ctrl+P, print preview, look at there, the design, how I am designed for this admission form. Just look at this Selvin Technologies address admission form. And if you want, just you can give the number also, like a registration number also, just you can give here. So So you can mention the registration number also in case if you want. So all the details, if you want, just you can insert that registration number also. Look at there. So like this, what are the fields just you required, you can change here. After completion of this, just check print preview once. Look at there. This is my school admission form. So this kind of fields you can use. So by using this text and borders, margins, mostly I'm using that rectangle from the shapes in the insert tab. So you can use anything in this, and we can use text boxes also. We'll do the design how you want here. Friends, you can do your own admission form. Thank you friends for watching this video.